Hey guys, let's learn about one of the parts of step 3. This one involves trains. What does a train look like? A train looks like two matching colors on one side, two matching colors on another side, and then a white piece on the end. And in this case, the train is going up and down. Why do I say it's going up and down? Because we have yellow on top, and the headlights are pointing straight up into the sky. Now, one of the things that we want to do is when we see a train like this that's up and down, we need to get it out. So we are going to put the train on the elevator, and we know the elevator's on the left or the right. And it's already on the elevator. The part of the train is on the elevator. So all we're going to do is just move the train out like this. Or you could do it the other way. You could move the train out this way. But I don't want to see the train going away from me, so I'd rather move the train right in front of me. And once the train is right here on top, you need to push it forward out of the way. So push it one time out of the way. And remember, we have this white piece here outside. We need to put it back on the bottom. Now let me go ahead and undo that so you see what we did, okay? We are going to turn this front piece like a clock or a Ferris wheel or a cartwheel. And when we do that, the train is on top. We push the train forward. And then we have to turn the clock backwards or do the reverse cartwheel in the other direction. And when we do that, we still have the cross. If you forget to turn it back, you will mess up the cross. So we moved the train to the third floor, and where is it? It's right here. We have what looks like a 7 or a backward 7, and that's good. And we see all three pieces in a line here. That's good. And when we do that, all we have to do is move this train forward. Now people get confused. Do you move the train this way or do you move it this way? And how I like to remember that is that this is the headlights, and just like on a car, the car would go forward. So you move the train that way, and then we get to the tricky part. Remember, what color was this train? It's green, okay? The part we're looking at is green. So we're going to move the train forward, and you see this right here? This is like a garage, and we need to turn it. I like to think of this as a ladder as well. And we need to turn it so that we can get a reverse button. So we have two options for turning it. One is this way. And do you see this? It looks like a bed. Or let's put it back. You could also turn it this way, and it also looks like a bed. But one of these is wrong. You cannot turn it this way because the reverse button is really far away from the train. So let's undo it. When we have this ladder from the train, we're going to turn it this way. And it always depends. You always have to check. The train is on this side, so I want the white button to be on that side. And the white button is not this thing. It's this one on the side where the train is. This is like a reverse button. Once you have the reverse button on the side, you can push the train backwards. Then you'll get two buttons. You'll also get 4 matching colors. And whenever you see that, you just put these white pieces on the bottom. You're just going to turn this. And look, 4 matching pieces, 4 matching pieces. So that's a story about the train and what we do with it. We'll practice more examples. Here's another example right now. If I look around, I see 2 matching colors right here, 2 matching colors right here, and the headlight. Now we want to make a 7, and we're looking at the side here. Let's move this train forward. Do I see a red 7 or a backward 7? No. I move it again. Look, a red 7 or a backward 7. In this case, it looks like a regular 7. When I have this situation, I know I can start moving the train around. I have the red ladder here for the red train. I'm going to move the train forward. The train is on this side, so I want there to be a white reverse button so that my train can go in reverse or go backwards. So how do I get the white button here? I just turn this like a clock, and there's the button. If I do the clock the wrong way, there's no button. See, this one's red. So let's go back. I have the white button, that's the reverse button. I can bring the train backwards right here. I got 4 matching pieces. I've got 2 white pieces right here on the left, and I just put the white ones on the bottom, and we're good. So trains are really easy. Whenever I see a train, I get really excited.